Okay, so we're looking at this. We'll start out. I've crossed out what you guys don't know or don't need to know and identify. So for the funnel, we're starting out here. You have this funnel. It's the siphon of the funnel. The chromatophores are what are located here in the skin. You're not seeing any chromatophores because they are dead. They actively need nutrients and kind of stuff to be able to work. So you have to know that, but you're not going to be able to find it. Right, the head is right over here. We've got the arms. We've got these arms that are reaching out. They have these little suckers on them. Right. With the male, we have these hectocotylus, which are these long, funky-looking tentacles, and those are meant for sexual reproduction. The fins, so it'll be kind of hard to see those, but these are those kind of structures sticking off the edge here. Yeah, there we go. So you can see that there's a little bit of a fin there. There's a fin there that are sticking up here. The mantle. So this is that mantle. This back, kind of this region here is this mantle. The collar is this edge that's going around the bottom, right? And it's tucking in toward the siphon. We've got the eyes, the tentacles of the arms. The mouth is up here and underneath, right? And we can see the jaws and the beak. It's like the black mark that's inside that. There, see it. Yeah, the siphon funnel. Yeah, this is so everything inside of here is that in the mantle cavity, right? We have these right here. Here's one of the funnel retractor muscles. Here's the other funnel retractor muscles. See how they're attached to the funnel? Then they're attached to the mantle up here, and that's what's pulling together. They're retracting in order to create that jet motion. We have the ink sac here. The gills is tenidia. There's one gill. Got the other gill. And at the base of those gills is about where the you don't have to know it, but that's where the brachial hearts. Well, they're saying that you need to know it. Brachial hearts, and then in the middle of it is the systemic heart. The radula's up in. It's up in there, just after the beak and the mouth. The cecum is all of this structure here that's white. In this male, we have the testes here with the spermatophore gland in it. Right, spermatophore gland in the testes. And then the penis is coming down out of all of that. That is your penis right there. Well, I think it looks like it would. It's pretty beat. And then the pen. So the pen. Did you guys pull it? No. Oh, yeah. So giving this whole thing structure in the back. Oh yeah, there it is. You notice that there's this rigid structure in the back. And it's the pin the pen.
That like line.
Yes, that line thingy, and so you can actually pull that out, and it's what you'll find is this like a structure that'll have like a rib down the middle, and it kind of just looks like plastic. It looks like plastic actually, and that's the pen.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you so